I tested dozens of new AI tools released this week, and honestly, some of these feel like preview of the future. Not just the AI chatbots. I'm talking about AI employees, AI website build from customer psychology, and tools that can turn meetings directly into content. Let's start with the craziest one. Tool number one is called Offsite, and this is probably the most futuristic AI workspace tool I have seen recently. Right now, most people use AI in separate tabs. ChatGPT in one tab, cloud in another, and code agents in terminals. Everything feels disconnected. Offsite is trying to change that completely. It basically creates a live workspace where humans and AI agent work together as a team, and the interface actually look like a company's organization chat where you can see agents talking, tasks being assigned, workflows running, approvals happening. Trust me, this is important because AI is slowly moving from single prompt to multi-agent system, and Offsite feels exactly built for the future. And it also integrates with tools like Cloud Code and MCP compatible agent, which exactly tells me that this is targeting service builders and operators, not casual AI users. Now honestly, this is probably the too advanced for beginners right now. But if AI agents become normal in companies, tools like this could become huge. Now next tool solves the most immediate problem, especially if you're a founder and creator like me. This tool is called ProdShort, and this is the smartest creator tool I have seen recently. Most founders fail at content because creating content feels exhausting. You sit down, open ChatGPT and try to write a perfect script, try to sound natural, and eventually everything starts sounding fake. But ProdShort takes a completely different approach. Instead of generating content, it captures the content you already create naturally during meeting. Then it automatically cut clips, refine ideas, formats content, creates shorts, creates LinkedIn post, create a Twitter content. And that's actually a smart because audience are getting tired of obvious AI generated content. But this tool leans into authenticity instead, and I have personally tested and I can already see this being useful for founders, agency owners, consultants, podcasters, even for your sales team. And real value here is speed. Your meetings become your content engine automatically, and trust me, that's a very strong workflow product. Now this next tool surprised me the most, and technically yes, it's an AI website builder, but the way it works is totally different. Most AI website builder generates a generic template with a fake copy that sounds like every other landing page online. Brila instead reads a company's Google reviews and try to understand why customer actually choose that business. Then it builds one-page website using real customer language, real positioning, real behavioral patterns. That's honestly a much smarter use of AI because most business don't actually understand what customers value most about them, the reviews that already contain that information. Brila uses to job to be done, thinking to identify customers' motivation and turn that into website copy automatically. And apparently the result sometimes even surprises the business owners themselves, and that's really interesting, especially for local businesses, agencies, freelancers and small businesses. And the fact that there is a free plan makes it even more impressive. Now let's switch into something more creative. This tool is called Riffle. This one is built for music creators. The idea is basically an infinite collaborative workspace for music creation. You can create riffs, invite collaborators, add instrument, add audio layers, use sample packs. And there is also an AI assistant inside that helps creative ideas, guide compositions, analyze music, expand melodies. What's interesting here is the positioning. Most AI music products focus on instant generation, refile scenes, and creative process instead of replacing artists completely. And trust me, that's the smarter long-term direction in my opinion. Definitely more niche than the other tools in this video, but still a very cool product direction. Now overall, the biggest trend I'm noticing this week are becoming less about magic generation and more about workflow integration. The winners are no longer AI tools. They are systems that fits naturally into how humans already work. Anyways, those were the most interesting AI launches I tested this week. And before you go, comment which tool you want me to review in upcoming week. And if you are into AI tools, startups, automation and future workflows, subscribe because every week I am filtering through the noise and only covering the tools actually worth your attention.